Assalamu alaikum. Hello my dear learners, my dear students. I am really honored and respected to be present here again. For the last few days I have been busy in some works, so I cannot take your class. So some classes have been missing now. Now today I will take this class in a special type of way. There are some WH words with which we can use prepositions. Look at the board, everybody. Some WH word with prepositions. Today I have given the heading of my class number 27. Some WH words with prepositions. There are some WH words with which we can use prepositions, and our daily conversations to express our feelings, to express our thoughts, we can use some prepositions with WH words. So these WH words with prepositions are very important in our day-to-day works, in our daily conversations. So my dear learners, my dear students, please listen what I am saying to you, because these WH words, there are some WH words also which I discussed in my last classes. So these WH words are very vital whenever you will express yourselves to others. Hope you understand. Now let's go to the board. First one, I have to, on the board I have already written 6 WH words with prepositions. Look at the first one, with whom. With whom means in Bengali. I am using Bengali sentences because some of you has commented that sir, we cannot understand clearly if you say some words in Bengali. That's why I have decided that I will utter some Bengali words, some Bengali sentences whenever it's necessary. So, my dear students, please look at the board. With whom means kar sathe. Kar sathe. When this mean will be, when these WH words will be used as interrogatives. When it will be used as interrogatives, its meaning will be kar sathe. And when these WH words will be used as conjunction, then its meaning will be jar sathe. Suppose one sentence, তুমি কার সঙ্গে প্রাইভেটে গিয়েছিলে? With whom did you go to private? তুমি কার সঙ্গে কাজটি করছিলে? With whom are কারটি কাজটি করছো? With whom are you doing the work? তুমি কার সঙ্গে কাজটি করছিলে? With whom were you doing the work? So many questions we can use in this way. যার সাথে. Suppose I am giving an example. You meet the persons. You meet the person. তুমি লোকটির সঙ্গে সাক্ষাৎ করেছিলে. With whom I went to the party. যার সঙ্গে আমি পার্টিতে গিয়েছিলাম. Suppose this kind of meaning will be. Now second one, for whom. For whom means কার জন্য, and whenever it will be used as conjunction, its meaning will be যার জন্য. Okay. Suppose one sentence. For whom are you crying? For whom are you crying? কার জন্য তুমি কাঁদছো? For whom are you waiting? কার জন্য তুমি অপেক্ষা করছো? And whenever you will use these WH words as conjunctions, its meaning will be such a Bengali sentence. এটা হলো সে ব্যক্তি যার জন্য আমি অপেক্ষা করছি. এই হলো সে ব্যক্তি যার জন্য আমি অপেক্ষা করছি. So its translation will be, this is the persons for whom I am waiting, or this is the persons for whom I have been waiting since morning. So you can utter such kind of sentences. Without whom, ke chhara. Without whom means in Bengali ke chhara. Okay. Suppose a sentence, tumi ke chhara tumi baste paro na. Without whom can you not live? Okay. Without whom do you not live? Such kind of sentence. Another one, jar je chhara. When it will be used as conjunctions, its meanings will be je chhara. Okay. Suppose one sentence, ei holo she byakti je chhara ami cholte pari na. This is the persons without whom I cannot move. This is the persons without whom I cannot move. Okay. Hope you understand. So these kind of sentences are very vital and whenever you will translate, you will converse with your friends and near and dear ones, these thoughts should be remembered in your memory. Thank you. Number 4, about home, কার সম্পর্কে, you should carefully notice the WH words and its Bengali meaning whenever it is used as interrogative, and its meaning whenever it is used as conjunctions. So these differences as interrogative and as conjunctions, these differences should be cleared in your memory. And whenever these will be cleared, you can easily translate any kind of sentence. You can easily ask questions to others. About home, কার সম্পর্কে, whenever it will be used as conjunction, যার সম্পর্কে. Okay. So about home, কার সম্পর্কে. About home, are you talking? কার সম্পর্কে তুমি কথা বলছো. About home, are you writing? About home, are you writing? তুমি কার সম্পর্কে লিখছো. We can also use this WH word as conjunction. This is the persons about whom I am writing. This is the girl about whom I am writing. This is the boy about whom I have been waiting. Okay? So these kind of sentences will be translated when you will converse with your friends and near and dear ones. So you should remember, by whom, কার দ্বারা. This is very important, these words. By whom, কার দ্বারা. তুমি কার দ্বারা সমস্যাটি সমাধান করেছো. By whom have you solved the problems? Look at the sentence. তুমি কার দ্বারা সমস্যাটি সমাধান করেছো. By whom have you solved the problems? And whenever it will be used as conjunctions, its meaning will be যার দ্বারা. Suppose a sentence, এই হলো সেই বালিকা যার দ্বারা আমি অঙ্কটি সমাধান করেছিলাম. This is the girl by whom I had solved the sum. Okay? অথবা এই হলো সেই ব্যক্তি যার দ্বারা আমি অ্যাসাইনমেন্টটি সম্পূর্ণ করেছি. This is the persons by whom I have completed my assignment. Okay? So these kind of translations will be translated, will be altered when you will try to converse with your relatives or with your classmates. So these meanings, every WH words with its meaning as interrogative and its meaning as conjunctions, and the main differences. What is the main differences whenever it is used as an interrogative and whenever it is used as conjunctions? These differences should be remembered very carefully. Now last one, towards whom, কার দিকে. Okay? Towards whom, তুমি কার দিকে যাচ্ছ. Towards whom are you going? Okay? Towards whom are you going? কার দিকে. When your Bengali pronunciation, Bengali translation will be কার দিকে, then you can use towards whom. Then whenever you will use it as conjunction, then its meaning will be যার দিকে. Okay. So with whom, কার দিকে তুমি যাচ্ছ. With whom are you going? Okay. Suppose another sentence. এই হলো সেই ব্যক্তি যার দিকে আমি যাচ্ছি, বা এই হলো সেই বন্ধু যার দিকে আমি যাচ্ছি. This is a friend. This is a friend towards whom I am going. This is listen carefully. এই হলো সেই বন্ধু যার দিকে আমি যাচ্ছি. This is a friend towards whom I am going. So these are the main difference, my dear students, my dear viewers, my dear learners. You should carefully read every WH words and its meaning whenever it is being used as interrogative and whenever it is being used as conjunction, and the main differences and the examples which I have delivered to you. You should be remembered. Every examples and every classifications and every explanations you should carefully notice. Then there will be no hesitation, there will be no problem whenever you will utter, whenever you will start to converse with your friends. Thank you everyone. Thank you my dear learners. I hope you will carefully read every words, every sentences, and there will be no problem whenever you will start to converse. Okay, thank you so much, everyone.